Guys, my name is Mahinka Soni and I've started a YouTube channel to help you guys in studies. So, whenever, let me tell you my qualities. I'm good in maths, I'm good in most science, I'm good in a lot of subjects. Right now, I'm in 8th, but I want to contribute because I want to contribute in education because I think it's the most important thing right now for you. It will help you nurture your future to be able to make a career, a good career, and with a good career you can do anything else. It's just not about like money, it's about everything. So let's start. Today's topic is fractions, and it's about multiplying and dividing them. It's obviously the part of math. So let's see. Let's first learn what is how to actually multiply fractions. I'll give an example. So suppose we take a question. Um, let's take 1 upon 4 into 2 upon 3. These are the two fractions we are multiplying. So what do we do next to get it into a singular fraction way, right? Instead of just ab into cd, how do we get it in a proper way, in one whole fraction? Let's see. So here, what do we have to do? Basically, 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 3 means that we are doing this 1 upon 2 into 4 into 3. It's that simple. You just have to multiply the numerators with numerators and denominators with denominators. And then we get 2 upon 12 because we know simple calculations like multiplication. And here comes the part, here we will have to simplify because the common factor we have is more than 1. Here's 2, so we can cut it and get 1. Here we cut it and we get 6. And we get it in the final form of so-called form, singular form, which is 1 upon 6. And right now, I could have done it very easily without this, okay, without this especially. Let me show you. We can make it easier. This is not it's gonna change any answer. It's not a method, but it's one of the steps which will make your work easier and simple. So here we look at opposite numerators and denominators. Basically cross multiplication, but it is not cross multiplication. You can't say that it's cross division, but it's something like that. Okay. So here we take 1 and 3. Do they have any common factor? So we will keep it as it is. Do 2 and 4 have any common factors? Yep, 2 itself. So now we will cut it down. 1 and 2 while dividing it. Caution, it can be only done when the two numericals are being multiplied, not while they are being added or subtracted. Okay, and we will talk about division too. And then through this we get 1 into 1, though you don't need to write the step 1 into 1. You can just directly write 1, and 2 into 3, which is directly gives us 1 upon 6. It makes it that easy. Now we will do quite a few sums for a multiplication. Then we will move towards division, because if you don't know multiplication, you can't do division only, because it's multiplication is part of division here in fractions. So let's do some questions. Okay. 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5. Second, 6 upon 7 into 3 upon 5. Third, 5 upon 6 into 4 upon 5. And let's see, last one, we have 1 upon 2 into 6 upon 7. Okay, solve them one by one. I'm gonna give you around 30 seconds to solve them. Okay, I know you must have already started solving it, but let's see. Math is one of the fundamentals of engineering, and if you ever want to go in engineering, you have to excel it. Starting may seem small for students who already know and are just clearing their small doubts, but it's very important to clear basics, because if your basic aren't clear, then you won't be able to do proper calculus math and big algebra function, the expressions, function, and everything. This is the foundation, and your foundation needs to be strong. Like a building, a standing building, if the ground isn't strong, the building will fall. If the base is strong and maybe the height is a bit low, still it's gonna remain. It's the best thing. It's okay. Okay. So now I expect that you must have solved it. So the answer of each question I'm gonna write here. Here, the answer of the first question is 8 upon 15. Simple. Here, the answer of this question is 18 upon 35. And here, when we cut this, the answer is 2 upon 3. And for this one, we have 3 upon 7. If you got all of them correct, very good. If not, practice more sums like that. Okay, now we move towards division. So now we'll do division. My writing skills, my speaking might feel like I am just stammering. It's not no condition or something, but it's my starting. So please guys, that I need you to support me. I'll improve, I promise. It's sure that I'll improve, certain. So yeah, in division is a fraction. So what a division will look like, there's no question to that. I can just simply write something like this: 5 into upon 6. Okay, so now what do? I'm not telling now in this you won't go like 1 divided by 5 and 3 divided by 6. That would make it worse, and it's wrong actually. So what do we do if we don't do this? Well, there's a thing called reciprocal. Which numerical is my divisor? Which term is my divisor here? 5 upon 6, the term which is dividing. I will change the place of numerator and denominator in this. I'll interchange them, and that thing is called reciprocal. I reciprocate that fraction, and this can be done in fractions only. So what happens is, then you write 1 upon 3 into 6 upon 5. The reciprocal version of 5 upon 6 can, if multiplied to 1 upon 3, would give same answer as 1 upon 3 divided by 5 upon 6. Okay, and we do follow our steps. We cancel down this, make it easier, and we get 2 upon 5. So the answer of this is basically 2 upon 5. So now let's try to do some sums. I know division might look kind of complicated of reciprocal and changing of fractions, but you're feeling it as like complicated because you are comparing it with the easiness of multiplication. But I'm telling you, this concept, this thing is very, very easy. It's singularly easy. Okay? I know my board tilted. There should be some laughter, at least some laughter in the class. So let's take some. Okay. 2 point. Here right now, I'll give I think I'll give 3 sums to you. 3 questions to you. Don't call them sums. Here I'm doing this basic multiplication division. I'm explaining it by proper fractions. The same rule is applied to improper fractions, and for mixed fractions you have to convert them into improper fractions. Sorry. So now I'll let you solve it. I'll give you 30 seconds again. I also teach science and some subjects apart from maths if you don't like maths. Some people don't. I love it. I love maths. And I'll also teach Python. I'll teach many things. I'm a topper in my school. So it's a basic thing. I believe that education should be given to everybody, and the school doesn't teach us, just teaches that the information, the academic knowledge, but it doesn't teach us of how we learn it. Each student learns it differently, and the best way to learn is to give it in the most simplified way. So I think I can do that thing. I will give you simplified way of every single concept. You just tell me in comments that what concept you want to learn, and don't give me calculus right now because I haven't learned it on my own. It's quite hard, but I'll try to learn it. I'm in 8th grade, but if I'm able to continue my YouTube channel, I can solve it all for calculus too in 12th. I'll tell you. Obviously after 4 years we will be able to do that. 3 to 4 years I might learn it beforehand. I think you must have solved the questions only. Let's see. The answer to the first question is 10 upon 2. And here we weren't quite able to cancel things, but we are now cancelling them. I know some students have just wrote 10 upon 12 because they weren't able to cancel it in the starting. I know it's a silliest mistake ever, but it's okay. And here the answer is 4 upon 3. Yeah, it was taking time to come on. And here our answer is 81 upon 80. So here we got some answers, and if you were able to solve it, good. Now the problems of multiplying and dividing a fraction are easy for you. Okay, and if you want, practice more. Practice is the key way, it's the only way to excel in math. So thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. For me, if you don't like and subscribe, fine. I'll still keep sending my videos because my education isn't like a trade of for like and subscriptions, whatever. It's knowledge sharing. If I give knowledge, it would help. Maybe it would give a tiny help, but it would give a help. So thank you guys. Bye. Keep learning from whatever you see and whatever you hear and whatever you feel. Thank you guys. Bye.